Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Codus Arcade. In this session, I will show you how to check your internet speed with the help of Python. Before starting the video, I would like to request you people to please like and share our videos with your friends and family, and also subscribe to our channel Codus Arcade if you like our videos, and at the same time don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications regarding our latest updates and you do not miss out on our future videos. Thank you. So let's get started. As I said, today's topic is how to check the internet speed of your PC or system with the help of Python. So, do you guys know how to check the internet speed by running a Python program? If you don't, then I'm going to show it to you. Normally, what we do is we use the speedtest.net, which is a URL by Ookla, where we check the internet speed of our modem or broadband or whatever. But in this case, I will be showing you how you can do the same by just running a simple Python program. So as you can see, I am inside my PyCharm IDE, and let me go to my project panel, and here I'll create a new subdirectory in my Chorus Arcade project. Let the name of the project be speed test, and I'll press enter. And inside this directory, I will create a new Python file. Let the name of the file be check internet speed, and then I'll press enter. Now let me just minimize this project panel so that I can show you the entire screen. And now, in order to check the internet speed, we have a module or external library in Python which is known as speed test. So before using that module, we have to install it. Let me go to my terminal, and here I will use the command pip install speed test -cli, and I will press enter. In my case, I have already installed this module, so it will say requirement already satisfied, as you can see here. But in your case, if you have not installed it, you just install it by using the command pip install speedtest-cli. And we will be also using another module which is pyttsx3. It will convert text to audio or speech. So I will use the command pip install pyttsx3. I have already installed this, so it will also say requirement already satisfied. But in your case, you can just use this command pip install pyttsx3 so that you can use this module. So I'll press enter, and you can see it says requirement already satisfied here. So these two modules are required for this program. So I will just clear the screen, and let me minimize this terminal, and here I will import the two modules. So for the first module, I will write from. If I write SP, you can see it gives me the option speed test. I will press enter, and I will import the class named speed test. And then I will also import my pyttsx3, this one, and press enter. So here, first I have to create an instance or an object which will belong to the class speed test. So let the name be speed is equal to, then I have to call the class speed test and give the parenthesis. Now with this line of code, what we have done is we have created an instance called speed, which will be an object or an instance of the class speed test. So now this object will have all the attributes that are defined in this class speed test. So now, in order to store the download speed and the upload speed, what I need to do is I have to create two variables. Say the first variable be download underscore speed is equal to, now I have to call my speed variable or object, and if I press the dot, you can see I get the download method, and I will press enter. So what this line of code will do is this will fetch or return the download speed of my computer, and it will store the data in this variable download speed. And for the upload speed, I have to create another variable upload underscore speed is equal to same thing. I will call my speed object, and if I press the dot, you can see I am getting the upload method. I press enter. So this will fetch the upload data or the upload speed and store it in my upload speed variable. So this is done. Now what I will do is I will use the print statement, and I will print the download and the upload speed. So let me use the formatted string, and here I will say the download speed is, then I will use the placeholder, and here I can call my download speed variable. So this is done. Similarly, I will do it for the upload speed also. Formatted string, the upload speed is colon, and then in the placeholder I will call my upload speed variable. It's here. So this is also done. Now you will be wondering that I have not used this pyttsx3 module. Then what is the use of importing this, right? So let us do that. Now I will use my pyttsx3 module or the library, and inside this library I have a method called speak. You can see here, this is the function speak. If I press enter, it will be asking me for the text. So what I will do is, again I will use the formatted string, and then I will write the download speed is, and inside the placeholder I will call my download speed variable. So this speak method will actually speak out the text inside the quotes. So it will speak out the download speed is, and it will fetch this data from here, and it will read out the speed. And for the upload speed also, let me do the same. pyttsx3 dot speak, and then inside the formatted strings I will type the upload speed is, and inside the placeholder I will call my upload speed variable. So this is also done. Now what my target is, I want to print my upload and download speed, and at the same time I want to tell my pyttsx3 module to speak out the download and the upload speed for me. So let me run this so that I can show you the output. I'm running it. Right click, run, check internet speed.
The download speed is 36,929,844.605453. The upload speed is 31,816,241.90140536.
So you can see that we have got this download speed and the upload speed. And after that, we also heard the computer speak out the download speed and the upload speed. But the question is that this speed is actually in bits per second. Both the upload and the download speeds, they are in bits per second. What if we want to convert it into megabits per second? So let me show you the trick for that. What we need to do is, we can divide this value with 10 power 6. Similarly, let us do the same thing for the other one also. So 10 power 6. And please remember, for power we have to use 2 stars or 2 asterisks. And after that, we saw that there were too many digits after the decimal, right? What if we want to round it off? For that, I will use the round function or the method. So round, and inside the parenthesis I will give this entire number. So this is done, and for the other one also I will do the same. Round. Okay, now this is done. What this line of code will do is it will convert the speed from bits per second to megabits per second, and it will round it off to 2 digits after the decimal point. For that, what we need to do is we need to put a comma, and after that we need to define the number of digits. You can see n digits. So I will give 2. And here also comma and 2. Let me give a space to make Python happy, because PEP means Python Enhancement Proposal. It gives us the suggestions to write code in a better way. So now Python is happy and the compiler is happy. It's okay. Now, while the print function works, here let me write mbps so that it prints the megabits per second data. Here also space mbps. And while the audio speech is also spoken by the computer, then also I want it to speak mbps. Here also I want to do the same, mbps. So it's done. Sorry, I think there is a mistake. Yeah, mbps. So now this is correct. Okay. Now let me run it again, so that now you get the converted version of the download and the upload speed in megabits per second. I will run it. Right click, run.
The download speed is 37.13 Mbps. The upload speed is 33.56 Mbps.
So now you can see that it has been rounded off to 2 digits after the decimal point. The download speed also, the upload speed also. And after that, we heard the PyTTSX3 text to speech module speak out our data. So this is how this program works. I hope you have understood. It's very simple. We have to import the speed test module, and from that you have to import the speed test class. And then we initiated the object speed and made it a object of the class speed test. Then we took 2 variables, download speed and upload speed. And finally, just because we were getting the data in bits per second, we converted it to megabits per second by dividing by 10 power 6. And then rounding it off to 2 digits after the decimal by using the round method. And then we printed the data, and also we told our computer to speak out the same. So this is simple, right? I hope you have understood. If you have any doubts in the code, you can ping me in the comment section. I will be very, very happy to clarify those doubts. And if you really like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and at the same time, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications about our latest updates. So this much for today. Thank you and happy learning. See you in the next session.